Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 28 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm so happy to see you guys. So, we only have a few more days after this. I cannot believe it. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. You are more than welcome to do day 28, or you can go down to the description box and click that first link and start with day 1, whatever you prefer. So, I hope that you guys are having a great morning. Like all the other days, we are going to go ahead and start off with our morning affirmation. If you're not already sitting in easy pose, I invite you to do so. And softly we close our eyes. Today's affirmation is, I am capable of standing up for myself. If you'd like to repeat that with me, I am capable of standing up for myself. Wonderful, you guys. We're going to go ahead and start off with our cleansing breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, and beginning with our 3 ohms to start off the class. Okay, we inhale through the nose, sitting up straight. Out through the mouth. We inhale, beginning with our ohms. Om. We inhale. Om. Last one. Inhale. Om. Allowing the breath to fall back to its normal cadence. We prepare for our practice. If you are sitting on a block, go ahead and get that out of the way. We begin today just with some gentle shoulder movements. We're going to inhale, bringing the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, taking them down and back. We inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, switching directions, taking it forward up to the ears. Exhale, dropping down. And exhale. And exhale. Let's do that one more time. And exhale. Beautiful, you guys. We're going to take it to a seated cat-cow with our feet out in front, right? So get to where you're prepared, like you're going to be doing a crunch, right? And we've done this one before. So we put those hands right on the bottom of the knees. We're going to inhale, arching the back, lifting the chest up towards the sky. And we're going to exhale, curve the spine, navel to spine, chin to chest. We inhale, making sure those feet are as flat as they can be on the floor. We exhale, curving the spine, allowing there to be space within the lumbar region. We inhale, bringing that chest up and forward, and exhale. Making sure not to force anything here and going at your own pace. Remember, we're just warming up the body, warming up the spine. Let's do one more. We exhale. And we're going to inhale, bringing it back to neutral. From here, we're going to put the feet a little bit in closer, right, to where they're hip width apart. We are going to inhale and take it to a modified boat. Our hands are going to come beside the parallel to the mat. Words. We're going to hold here, making sure those abs are flexed. Staying conscientious of the breath. And exhale, allowing the feet to fall to the mat. Coming up, bringing the chest in between the knees, and exhale, we're going to take it into butterfly. Soles of the feet come together, making sure that back is straight and flat. We can either hold on to the ankles or hold on to the toes. We're going to inhale, again, imagining that line just gently pulling the string through the top of the head, allowing the chest to fall. And we inhale, coming up, feet go back to hip width apart, and we take it back to that modified boat, right? Again, making sure those abdominals are engaged. Holding here, if you would like to extend, you are more than welcome to, or staying at the modified. Great, and drop it back down. Beautiful. We're going to do a nice little flow, taking it back to butterfly, inhaling and exhaling, moving forward. We're going to do that just one more time. Let's take a nice deep inhale here. Really bring that air down into the belly. And as we exhale, we come up, taking it straight into our modified boat pose. Great, you guys, you're doing wonderful. We're here, remember our breath. And we exhale, coming back down, soles of the feet joined together, scooting up to the heels if we need to, and gently coming down, feeling that all throughout the groin, top of the back, middle of the back. And as we exhale, we come back up, knees joined together, walking them out in front. And from here, we are going to take our heel and get it as close to the buttocks as we can. We're going to just gently fall back, trying to maintain the knees close together as easy as possible. Everybody, we'll take this in a different way. Some people can go ahead and lay all the way back, and some people will need to stay up here, and that's okay. Wherever you are today in your practice, if you're on your forearms, make sure that your fingertips are facing towards your feet. We're going to inhale here, and as we exhale, we're going to bring that left foot to meet the right foot comes back to the other side, making sure that heel is close to the buttocks, knees are as together as they can be. Breathing here, feeling that stretch in the quad, all the way to the IT band, feeling that. Allowing the head to rest. One more inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to drop it down, going all the way, lowering down to the back. From here, we're going to stack the right foot on top of the left knee. We're going to inhale, bring that knee close on in, and we're going to gently pull on that left leg, bringing it close, as comfortably close as we can, making sure that our feet are in dorsal flex, right? So they're flexed. Being mindful of our breathing. On the next exhale, we softly release, dropping down. Now taking the left ankle on top of the right part of the quad. And we just ever so lovingly bring that leg close. Like always, being conscientious of how one side feels over the other, making sure that the sacrum is staying on the mat, right? So the lower back is not coming up. We want to make sure that that stays grounded down. And on the exhale, we're going to gently release down. And like we've done the external internal rotation of the legs, we're going to take those feet wider than the knees, wider than the hips. We're going to gently allow them to fall to one side, whichever side feels good to you. And on the inhale, we're going to bring it back to the middle. And exhale, allow the knees to fall to the other side. Enjoying this brief moment of tranquility before we start our day. We inhale, bringing it back to center. And exhale, taking it to the other side. And we inhale. And exhale, taking it to the other side. We inhale, bringing it back to center and allowing the legs to gently fall to the mat. Allowing the hands to come to the side, palms facing up. Receiving love and generosity. We inhale through the nose. And with a big force, we're going to exhale through the mouth. Let's do that 2 more times and really give it all you have. We're going to inhale through the nose. Exhale. Similar to the lion's breath. Yesterday we inhale. And exhale. Allowing the breath to return to normal. We allow the breath to return to normal. Sinking deep into the mat, sinking deep into relaxation. Saying our affirmation, I am capable of standing up for myself. Releasing any tension we're still holding on to in the body, in the face, in the hands, in the fingertips, in our knees, in the ankles, and in the toes. Whenever you're ready, bringing the knees to the chest with soft, smooth movements, taking our time, hugging the knees in, being proud that you took this moment out for you and for your help. And we turn on to our right side. And using the hands to come back up as guides. Taking it into easy pose. We inhale, hands come above the head, palms meet. Exhale, hands to heart. I bow to you. Namaste. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's practice. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Let me know how the practice went for you down in the comment section below, or if you have any questions, also leave those in the comment section below. If you want a little extra workout, I will leave that at the very end of the video, so you can just click that link when this ends. So if you enjoyed this, you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hit the post notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you again, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Ooh, you guys are almost finished. I love you all so much. Ciao.